Fredtown.
Fredtown!
Fredtown.
Fredtown! Fredtown!
Fredtown.
Fredtown! Fredtown!
Fredtown.
Welcome back to Data Crusades, guys. This is Jonathan Alexander. John Alexander for short. So, new information has come to the Crusades. All right? You hearing me? Lizard people, they're back. You thought it was gone in 2014. Guess what? No, it's back. And guess what? Fredonia is no exception. We have lizard people all over campus. The leader? Kevin Bacon? No bottom teeth. Absolutely none. Have you ever seen him? I haven't. I'm his uncle. Yeah? Reba! Vinny Q. Obviously Vinny Q. Have you heard his freeform poetry? It's wonderful. No one writes freeform poetry like that. Mark Hayek, lizard person. Duh. The art department, all lizard people. The theater people, furries. Green Day, I don't think so. Blue Day, more like. You guys excited for Aquaman? I am. Jason Momoa. Tribal tattoos have been my thing for years now. I'm not gay. All right? Not gay. But Aquaman. Got me really. I'm not gay. Frogs. Snackback pudding. Not even real. It's been Gogurt this whole time. It's against God's will. Listen. I'm not trying to get carried away here. All right? I'm just a simple man. Crusading data. All I'm trying to do. Just spread the good word. Jonathan Alexander. All right. Listen. The Great Simulation of 2012. 2012, remember that movie? Awful. It was true. Really happened. World ended. Crazy. Mayans, right? Who knew? Latin countries. Crazy. All right? You ever seen season 1 of Game of Thrones? I wished I was Daenerys. The Beatles, they never broke up. George Harrison's not dead. John Lennon didn't get assassinated. They stayed together. Guess what? Nickelback. That's right. Stay woke, people. We've been in a simulation since 2012. Since 2012. The architect, you can't fool me.
Oh, it was Rivers Cuomo, not Andrew Cuomo. What the
Have you ever seen the Benchwarmers? Are you following me? Wake up! God's will. Listen here. People, if there's one thing you can take away from this taping, don't believe everything you hear except for me. All right? I'm the only one who understands, truly accepts you for who you are. Reba. I think we found our next victim.
Hey pal, what are you doing?
Hey, how's it going?
Not bad. Where you headed to?
I'm going to UC.
You'll see.
Yep.
Can do. Also,
You're on Moolah Mobile, the only game show that takes place right here in my minivan on campus with your chance to win fabulous prizes. So what do you say you want to play?
What's it called again?
Moolah Mobile.
Nah, man. I'm just trying to go to UC. I'm good.
You serious?
Yeah.
You don't want to win? You could win money.
You take it right here.
Oh, sorry. Really? You put in headphones? spent all night writing the questions. Stop. You gotta wait for me to. Okay? Wait, just stop doing what you're doing. Stop. Stop. Don't. Stop. There you go. Alright. Guess we gotta wait for one more. Cool, guys. You right? Where are you going to?
Just 4 blocks up north.
You're on Moolah Mobile!
Are you serious?
Absolutely, the only on-campus.
Oh my God, I'm a
in-car
Moolah
game show.
Mobile.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God.
So what do you say? You want to play?
No. Big fan, by the way, though. Oh, this is so cool. Oh my God, I'm actually on Moolah Mobile. This is great.
So you don't want to play?
Oh no. What?
You don't want to play?
No, no.
Oh.
If you could just start driving.
Where are you going to again?
Just 4 blocks. Just 4 blocks up. Gotta get some meats.
It's been a while.
Just drive.
No, just like one.
I love the show. Okay. Should you pick it up a little bit?
Like one question.
What?
Can I just one question? Can I ask you one question?
I guess.
In 1963, what president was assassinated?
What up, players? All Natural Nature Ride 69 in the house today. Yo mama's house. Actually, not today, man. Not today. No, we're not actually in a house. We're actually in the nature today, in the wild. And we're going to show you how to conquer the wild. Yeah, that's what we're doing. All natural, baby. We're all natural. We're going to be all natural today. All natural. 12 inches, baby. 12 inches. Today what we're gonna do, we're gonna be surviving in the woods. We're gonna be surviving in everything. No, seriously, what we're gonna do is we're gonna be surviving in the woods today. Hosted by the all-nature man himself, Ryan. I'm gonna show you how to make nature your bitch. You can't tell me what to do! If you intimidate the nature, if you show them that you're one with the nature, it's nothing. It's a piece of cake, man. And you can survive in the woods, and you can show them who's boss. You're not the boss of me! We're gonna do that today with vape reviews, and we're gonna just show you how a man handles nature. You like that? All you gotta do is you gotta have your vape. And just a little of the Ryan spirit. That's some good shit. Gotta make nature your bitch. I own you! That's all up in here, all up in here, all up in here, all up in here. All up in here, 12 inches, baby. 12! And we're gonna just show you how it is to live in the woods, survive and conquer. You know, that's what Leo DiCaprio says, survive and conquer. Vini Vidi Vici, man. Vini Vidi Vici. Live in the woods. Absolutely no one in a 1,000-mile radius. It's just me and the wild. Absolutely no humans around, no technology, no anything. It's just me and the wild and my intimidation of the wild. So, let's do this. All right, my bros, I can feel it. I can feel it. Let's do this. Let's get into nature. Alright, bros. First thing you need to know about surviving in the wild is you need a killer headband. How the hell is nature going to take you seriously if you don't have a killer headband wrapped around your head, man? They won't. It's not going to work. Right over here is this lame-ass shirt that my grandma gave me before she died, but who cares, right? It's a white shirt. It's going to work. But what we got here is what we got, our very famous Cutco knife. You're not going to want to use anything else other than the Cutco knife. $655, right? Get your local Cutco dealer. It's easy. It's simple. I do it. Your mom could do it. But all you got to do, basically, is hold the shirt right here, stab it right through. It goes right through. See? Power of Cutco. And then watch this. Watch. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5.
All day, just trying to get one answer. Someone. All right.
What's up?
So, where you going?
I just want to go to Sunny's.
Alright,
Please.
Sounds good. That's good spot. Good drinks there. Drink specials, great night. Is it ladies'
Yeah.
night tonight? I think it's ladies'
I don't know.
Either way, you're on Moolah Mobile! The only mobile game show that takes place right here on campus in my minivan, where you can win fabulous cash and
No, I just want to go to Sunny's. Please.
What?
I don't want to do this. I just want to get to Sunny's.
No, you're gonna answer some questions.
Dude, can I like opt out?
No.
Like,
No. I've spent all day driving around this campus. This godforsaken campus. I didn't sleep last night writing questions.
dude, why?
Dude, I just need someone to answer my questions.
Well, I don't.
You're gonna answer the question. You're gonna answer the question.
Why?
I don't care. I don't care. You're gonna answer a question.
Dude, get somebody else.
No! No! The sun is going down. There's no more time. I haven't slept or eaten in 2 days. Someone is gonna answer my questions. It's you! You're gonna just answer
Dude, I gotta
questions.
call you, P. Just,
In 1967,
Can't do this.
in 1967,
Dude!
what album did the Beatles release that changed the face of music?
Sgt. Pepper's.
Yes! Yes.
Can I get out now?
Yes.
Okay. Have a nice day.
Got it right.
Hi, I'm Patricia, and I have ligma, and my dying wish is to go into space.
This is the best we can do.
Oh, okay.
If you aim it right, it'll go like 30 feet. It's pretty cool.
That's sick.
Okay.
Thank you.
Call me Clintoris, but on the street my name is Moose Knuckle.
Okay. What is your problem?
I have a stage 4 crack addiction.
Do you say crack addiction?
Crack.
Can we help with that?
We can get this man crack.
Do you want crack?
Hey, I'm Chad, and I got a overbleached.
Hi there, my name is Dr. E.T., and what Chad actually has is stage 4 bone cancer. His bones are weak, brittle, almost like glass. Any impacts or sudden movements could break his bones and lead to serious harm.
Alright, so, what is your dream?
My last dying wish is to jump through that table.
We make dreams come true. He's okay.
What? He's dead. Fuck! Here, Make a Miracle Foundation, or whatever it's called, we make your dreams come true. I don't even know what's happening in the skit anymore. It kind of got out of control. Yeah!
1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. Two. One, 2. Ah! And just like that, bros, bandana, automatically, I feel the nature already receding, and because they're scared, they're intimidated by my bandana, bro. Good news for the channel, broskies out there. Yeah, great news. New camera for the videos, the Action Pro 6S59, man. It's not a GoPro. No, we're not gay. We're not the GoPro clan. No, we're the Action Pro. This is the one you need to survive in the woods. This is the Action Pro. Goes right in the head. Camera quality is great. 1080p, 4K, only $800. What is that? That's like 2 checks, right? 2 checks. Look at the quality, bros. I'm not kidding you about this quality. Look at this quality. Look at me. Look at me. I'm on the Action Pro, man. On the Action Pro reppin'. There's all the beautiful people I like to see. Look at this. Now you're going to see everything I see. Here we go. Oh my God, it's a bear. Oh. 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 You can tell this is a very agitated bear. Female. You can tell he's trying to protect his cubs. Oh, this is good. This is good footage. You know how a real man fights a bear, though? With a knife. To survive in the wild, you have to fight with your bare hands.
Oh, no! Nature's a bitch! Oh! Oh!
It's good footage. What? You see that? I chased him away. But he got my $600 Action Pro. It's a piece of shit anyway. Thanks, China! American products are way better anyway. Definitely recommend the GoPro. And don't you think about coming back here! 12 inches! Alright, listen, bros. That bear almost had me. This is why you come to me for nature advice. I chased the bear. He was scared. She was scared. She was being a defensive mother. But I showed her who was boss. And I got my bandana back. But damn, did I work up an appetite. Damn. That's alright, though. We got good old mushrooms. Yeah, these things are the nature's grocery store. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, yeah. It's eating time. Nature's food is good, bro. It's almost as good as your mom. Gnarly.
Is that all you got? Is that all you got? Is that all you got?
All natural nature boy back. I gotta be honest right now, I'm not feeling too good. I think I had one too many mushrooms. I gotta say that this is gnarly, man. This is rad. But if you don't make nature your bitch, then you become nature's bitch. And if you broskies out there at home can take anything from this, I want you to take that. But we're gonna live. We're gonna live. We're gonna live. Because we're strong. And there's no one as match for all natural nature boy.